Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Alvin Rasyadiansyah Wibowo, and I'm from SMA Negeri 20 Surabaya. Now, our debate motion today is that schools should expel students who committed a bullying case. Now, first and foremost, bullying is a disgraceful act that harms the victim, even affecting the victim's psychological health. Bullying does not only occur physically or verbally, but also digitally and socially. That is why schools should expel students who committed a bullying case. Why? Because the psychological impact caused by bullying is profound. Such examples are fear, anxiety, depression, severe drop in grades, difficulty concentrating, and even suicidal behavior. Now, the next point, I would like to talk about the punishment for the perpetrator. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we live in Indonesia, which has its own laws and for every single criminal act. And we need to know that bullying is included in the criminal act, especially Clause 351 Criminal Code about Persecution and Child Protection Laws, Chapter 76A, which in summary is that any harmful acts to others, especially children, is subject to a prison sentence, with the maximum being 5 years and 6 months. Therefore, I would like to emphasize again that schools should expel students who committed a bullying case because they have committed a criminal act and warrants an arrest. That is all.